The person who invented holding in urine is truly a genius. Can holding it in kill you? The production of urine starts in the kidneys, which are the bean-shaped knee organs located in the back responsible for filtering blood, removing metabolic waste, and regulating fluid balance. The kidneys convert waste, excess water, and electrolytes in the blood into urine, which is then transported to the bladder via the ureters. The bladder, a muscular sac located in the pelvic cavity, serves as a temporary storage for urine. As urine gradually accumulates, the bladder wall expands, and this physical change activates receptors in the bladder wall. These receptors send signals, indicating that the bladder is nearing its capacity limit. However, the ultimate control of urination lies with the external sphincter. This is a group of muscles that encircle the urethra and can relax or tighten autonomously based on signals from the brain. The male urethra is much longer than the female's, measuring about 18 centimeters. This not only means a longer journey for urine within the body, but also provides more control points. The inner wall of the urethra is made up of smooth muscle. The external sphincter is made up of striated muscle, which can be operated under conscious control. When the urine in the bladder reaches a certain level, receptors in the bladder wall are activated and send signals to the spinal cord and brain. These signals first reach the cortex of the brain, triggering the conscious sensation of needing to urinate. This creates a biological drive that compels the individual to find an appropriate place to relieve themselves. At the right time and in the right environment, the brain sends out commands. The signals are transmitted back to the bladder via nerves, guiding the detrusor muscle at the base of the bladder to contract. This contraction not only increases the pressure within the bladder, but also prompts the automatic relaxation of the internal sphincter, which is smooth muscle and not under conscious control. At this point, the role of the external sphincter becomes crucial, acting as the final barrier. He receives instructions from the brain and can choose to either keep it tightly closed or relax and open it. The latter allows urine to be expelled through the urethra. For the brain, when it senses that the bladder is nearing its full capacity, it needs to assess whether the environment is safe or appropriate for urination.